In 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Luxe Unboxing. My name is Josie, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Chanel. Now, I'm really excited because this is part of the 21A collection, and everyone has been going so crazy for this color, and I cannot believe it is here. So without further ado, now there's actually 4 items that we're going to open, and so we're going to go ahead and go in order. Hopefully I won't spoil anything because I'm going to try to just open it for you so you guys can experience it yourself. So here's the first item. If you guys have any guesses, you can go ahead and mark it down below. And let's take a look and see what this is. And I promise I will try my hardest to not say anything, but I'm just so excited to open it and see what is inside here. So the first item from the collection is going to be, it is in this cute little dust bag. Oh my gosh, dun dun dun. Get ready. It is the really cute wallet. Okay, you guys know this gray color has been so sought after. It is completely sold out everywhere. It's so hard to find the bag, to find the wallet, but look how pretty she is. And it's actually really cute compared to the 21C collection because I feel like it's a little bit lighter, but it's so nice because it is just like the perfect color for like summer and especially for fall too, so you can't go wrong with it. So this is what it looks like right here. You guys look right here, and then inside it has card slots right here and card slots right here, and if you want to, you can also keep cash in here. But the best part too is, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's actually a room in there for more card slots, which is perfect because I know, like for me, I carry a lot of cards and everything. So you can also put in, if you have like change on the side here, and it won't affect the wallet, which is great. And like I said, you could put cash in here and more cards, but this is such a perfect size to use if you have like a small Chanel and also a large one. So I really love the color and the way it looks. They do also still have authenticity cards for the wallet. So here's the authenticity card. And this is the, like I said, 21A collection. Let me just go ahead and show you guys so you have the serial number. It's the 21A small wallet in the light gray color. So here it is right now. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. That way you guys can see it. And that is the color. That is, I believe, like the color of the season that everyone's been wanting. So here's the gray. So that's, I'm gonna go ahead and put it off to the side right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm so excited, like I can't even contain my excitement because I really cannot believe it's here. And okay, so I don't know if I want to do this fast or rip it off. I don't even know like what to do because I'm so happy. But here you go. Okay, we're just gonna do it fast because I just really don't care. I just want to just hurry up and get it over with. So here's the box, and it's so heavy, guys. Let me just flip this over. I'm trying not to drop it, by the way. So let's go ahead and open her up so you guys can see. It is in a really cute dust bag. You guys know me in dust bags. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it slowly for the effects, but it's killing me right now inside, guys. Ready? Okay, let's actually take her out right now. That way you guys can see it out of the box. Now, okay, ready? All right, here it is, guys, moment of truth. It's so exciting. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that, and one more covering because it's trying to kill me and give me a heart attack, so I can't open it fast enough. All right, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and pull her out. Do you guys have any guesses? I know that you guys might think what it is, but look, she's beautiful. She's so gorgeous. It is amazing how beautiful she is, and I just cannot believe that she's here. If you guys have no idea, this is one of the sought after bags of the season. Like this color is just so hard to find. You can't even get on a wait list anymore. If you're not on a wait list right now, or you haven't been the last couple of months, it's probably going to be really hard to find this bag unless you get it in an aftermarket somewhere. But right now, it is like the most sought after bag that there is. I mean, it is so beautiful, and I just love the hardware. It's so pretty. It's just really nice. And guys, she's actually here. So I'm just speechless right now. I don't even feel like I can say anything else, but look how pretty she is. I mean, I just love the size, because this did come in different sizes. Now keep in mind, here in the US, they only came in this size. I believe Europe and also Asia got the largest size, but I mean, I think this is a perfect everyday bag. You can use it up, you know, when you're going out on the town. If you want to just use it to run errands, I think it's great. And let me go ahead and show this to you guys. Look. So if you guys can see right now, here's the inside, right? And then you guys know how it works. There's a little, if you guys want to, let me see if I got it. Try not to drop it right now. I'm so excited. Here's the CC in here. And then I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but all the newer bags, starting with the 21A collection, instead of the authenticity cards like what I showed you guys, they actually changed it. And if you look inside here, let me show it to you guys. They actually have this plaque now where it will give you, see if I can go ahead and show it to you guys right now. See the plaque right here. So instead of an authenticity card, there's actually a plaque, and that is your serial number. That way, if you have any issues, they can track down the bag and where you bought it from, which is really great. But look how roomy this is, guys. Look how great that is. Let me show you guys what it looks like and how perfect it is with the wallet. So here's the wallet, right? You guys can see it's a perfect color match together. And then if you put the wallet in here, there you go. And the great part is you also still have room for like lipstick, or if you have your car keys, or maybe like if you have like another card holder, like a small one, it'll definitely fit in here. And the best part is if you have a large phone, like I have an iPhone XS Max, it will still fit in here, and you can even put it here in the front flap right here. Kind of hard to hold, guys, but you can put it right here in the front, which is great because then that way you can kind of keep them separated. Like for me, I lose my phones all the time in my purse because it's kind of like just huge, so it's kind of nice to have like that differentiator between where you put your wallet and then also where you can put your phone. If you have a smaller phone, if you want, I believe you can put it back here. Just my phone is, there's no way it's gonna fit. Or what I like to do is maybe put some cash back here, or just something easy access like a small credit card holder, and you can put it back here. That way you don't have to keep on opening and closing the flap. Because I love this bag and I think it's such a great bag, but for some reason with me sometimes it's kind of annoying when you open and close it, but that's just me. I like to have easy access to things, like, you know, like having a tote bag and just getting it in. But gosh, this bag is just absolutely amazing. I love the color. Like I said, it's a really hard bag to get. If you guys are interested in purchasing it though, let me go ahead and give you guys a picture of the bag. That way you guys can see like the SKU number and everything. You can ask your fashion advisor about it and where to get it. Now it is $6,200, and I just found out this morning, I don't know like how to feel about it, but they're actually raising the prices on Chanel bags, including classic flaps, by like 10%. So if this is $6,200, and if my math is correct, it'd be like an extra $600. So that actually becomes effective on July 1st. So if there's anything that you're thinking about getting, I would suggest get it now. Get in contact with your fashion advisor. If you don't have one, maybe ask a friend if they have one, and like just figure out where to go before July 1st. Because after that, a lot of stuff, not everything will go up in price, but the classic flaps is one of them. So it's really good that the price right now is $6,200. Like I said, it's going to go up by 10%. So make sure you get that right before July 1st. But here she is. And the best part is I'm going to show you guys just how light and beautiful she is next to this bag, because this is the white color. So you guys can see the color, right? It's white. If you put it next to the gray, you guys can see the difference, right? She's so light. I believe that they had it in past colors, but I think that this is the lightest I've ever seen it, and it's just so pretty side by side. You guys can see, like, this kind of has like the iridescent look, and this is more flat, but I love the way that this is for like an everyday wear. I mean, this is such a gorgeous bag, but you cannot fit a phone in here, but this one you definitely can. So I think the best part about this bag is it'll fit your essentials, and you can also use it all the time. So I can't wait to use it. As you guys can tell, I'm so excited about it, and I like don't even know what to say, but yep, here she is, nice and gorgeous. Now, some of you guys might not know, there is a zipper in here that actually goes all the way down inside if you want to store something like really important, like a passport or something like that. I never use mine, but you're welcome to do that. So it's a zipper, and it opens inside. So here she is. I'm just gonna go ahead and put her back in the box before I get her dirty before she gets ready to go out. So that's the second item on this quadruple unboxing, but this is actually my favorite item. She's just so pretty, and if you guys look at the hardware too, it's just really nice. It's like a really nice light champagne hardware. The next unboxing that we have is also part of the 21A collection, and this is kind of just a little thing that you can use to make your, you know, clothing kind of pop, I guess, or if you're just feeling kind of summery, you just want a little thing to put on your body. I'm trying not to give it away, but all right, let's go ahead and open her up. Let's take a look here. Ready? All right, so it is going to be, let me move all this stuff. Look at that, she's so pretty. It's a Chanel bracelet. It is great because you can, you know, wear it on your wrist, like dress it up. You can wear it with really cute matching earrings. Like I always have diamonds on because it's just really easy. I never take them off, but it will match anything, and you can wear it like casual too if you want, or if you're like going out somewhere really nice for a restaurant. But it's just a really cute, pretty, I love their costume jewelry because I feel like it makes it look really classy, and it's just one of those things where, let me just show it to you guys right here. You guys can see the CCs. It's really cute, and it has this little hanging CC right here too. You guys can see that, and I just like the way it feels, like kind of light. It's not super heavy. I know it might look like it's heavy because it has like the chain around it and stuff, but it's actually really light. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. Here you go. Look at that. Nice and simple, and like I said, it has the hanging CC on there, which is really cute. But it's perfect if you're wearing, if you like to wear white gold or regular gold. I think it's such a good idea to kind of mix and match, especially nowadays. I see it all the time, even people wearing like rose gold, and it looks good all together. So there it is. I think it looks really cute and stuff, and I'm still like really excited about the bag. I keep looking at it, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys one more time, because here she is. Ta-da! All right, okay, so the fourth item that we're gonna unbox is something that I feel you can definitely use for summer, and if you're trying to find someone and they're wearing this item, you'll be able to spot them from a mile away. So let's go ahead and open this one right now. Let's take a look here. All right, I'm just gonna show it to you guys. If you have any guesses, write it down below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be hopefully doing more unboxings. Let me know if you guys are interested in something else. Actually, we'll be at South Coast today to look at other items. So, all right, so let's see if we can just pop this thing open. Hold on one second. All right. Now, I said it's really bright, guys. It is absolutely perfect for summer. And I know that you can probably spot it from over here, and I don't even have to put it really close to you guys. So, all right, here she is. It is a really cute Chanel bucket hat. Oh my gosh, how cute is she, dude? Like, it has a little CC right here, and it's just perfect for summer. And if you have a really cute, like, white bathing suit on, obviously not a bikini, because I would not be caught in a bikini, but I think she's just really cute and perfect for summer. And here is the tag for her if you guys are interested in that. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, I think it's perfect for dog walking if you have a dog. So you can be spotted from a mile away. But I just think it's a really fun, bright color to wear. And you know, sometimes it gets really hot. Like right now, it's actually really hot today, so it's a perfect time to wear a hat. And I still keep going back to how beautiful this bag is, because I'm so excited to like see it and on and everything with a bunch of different outfits. So yep, this is the unboxing. So here's one of the items, but this hat is just really cute. I love the color. I think it's definitely different. They do come in a variety of colors, but I just like the way that it has like a little like floral Hawaii print going on, you know, and you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with white, black. You guys know me, I always wear like monochromatic colors, so I think this is like a perfect pop of color to wear. And if you're going to like a baseball game, perfect. You can put this on, someone can, like your significant other can spot you from a mile away, so it's a perfect hat to wear. If you go on the beach and there's like a bunch of people out there right now, you have one of these on, you know that there's probably not going to be another person wearing one of these for miles, so it'll be easy to find you, right? So if you're unsure, I definitely recommend getting one of these for summer if you don't have one already, and you can wear it all year round. So I think it's a perfect little accessory to your outfit. But once again, guys, the main focus of this unboxing is going to be the beautiful and amazing, gorgeous gray Chanel 21A flat bag that is just super hard to get, and I just cannot believe it's here. It is just so pretty, and it's just gorgeous. Now, I have been seeing people like having some issues with like the way it looks crooked. So if you do get one, just double check to make sure that everything matches. Like if you guys look, it's a perfectly aligned right here in the front. And just double check on that, because you know, you spend so much money on an item like this, you want to make sure that you're completely happy and that everything about it is perfect as much as possible. I understand that they're not like machine made and sometimes there's imperfections, but for me, I would want it where everything matches, because you are spending a lot of money on it. So okay guys, so as you guys can see, here's the bag. I'm going to show you a couple of things that will fit in here. So you have a small cute little card case, and then you have one of the small flap wallets that should also fit inside here. You guys can see that there's still room, so you can go ahead and put in a lipstick if you want. That you can go on the side, and if you have like a really small another card case, you can also fit that in here. And you kind of don't want to make it too bulky. Actually, that might not fit, but you can also put in your phone right here at the front flap. So you got small wallet, card case, your lipstick, and then your phone, and then there should still be some room in here for keys. So that will totally work out perfectly. And there you go. When you close it up, you guys can see it's still totally in the size, and it's not bulky or anything, which is perfect. And that's what fits inside one of these bags. Perfect. I hope that you guys enjoy this unboxing, and just comment down below. Let me know if you want to see anything else, and make sure you hit like, subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Have a good one. Bye.